Checky, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel Mark My Words, where we follow trading, traveling, and training. As usual, before I get into this summary video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there. You're doing me so proud, and I feel humbled that people are continuing to do so. Thank you very much. Moving on. So today, Thursday, the 15th of April, the meme stocks. What's happening? So first look at AMC, a good day for AMC, starting out of the traps and within, 30 minutes or so, not even that, hitting the high of the day of 10.22. So obviously driven by the video interview content by Treys, who had almost a 90-minute video with the CEO of AMC, Adam Aaron. I did watch it. I did put a little video out this morning. I will link it at the end. So have a quick look at that and get my thoughts on that. But obviously that has helped to bump the price a little bit today. And then it has literally been a steady day of consolidation where we have stayed in that $9.20 to $10 range. There's not much to say really. The stock has been steady. The volume has been low. Nothing really after the first hour or so. It is what it is. It's a positive day, 5.8% up. We take that every day of the week. Thank you very much. Just one thing I would some caution on is we've got this gap here. We may need, the stock may want to try and fill that. Just bear that in mind. It does drop down to around about 935-ish area. So if we do come down, don't get too alarmed. For me, I'm happy if we're staying in this 920 to $10 range. Obviously, if we can push above it, fantastic. We were heading that way today, but just not enough momentum. So that's it for AMC, a good consolidation day. GME, a red day, but again, look at the steady state of trading. We followed pretty much that $160 line if you take an average. So not too concerned there neither. Obviously, yesterday was the announcement that the CEO and one of the EVPs, executive vice presidents, have had some of their shares reclaimed, almost 750,000 worth or something like that, shares, not dollars, for failing to hit their performance targets, funnily enough. So, a lot of questions around that, more about the board really, what have the board been doing? So that's interesting. If you do get a chance, go and read about that as well. The filings are on the SEC website. It just tells you how many shares they're forfeiting. So that was, some good news, because obviously the new directors that are coming in, it's already been stated that they're going to be paid in stock. So they will probably use some of that stock to compensate some of the incoming personalities, shall we say. So again, a good day for GameStop, although it's red. It's not a disastrous day. So one thing that's been doing the rounds about 40 minutes ago, bearing in mind market closed 11 minutes ago, this popped up on the internet at about 3:15, something around there, Eastern time, and this Stacey Lee had put out there April 15th 2021. GameStop concluded the trading at 154.07 on Thursday, April the 15th. The market was still open. So you've got to wonder where they're getting this from. Obviously another attempt at shaking us out of our shares, troops. But we're not fools. We spot these things. Some news on the YouTube challenge. I have some news on the YouTube challenge, and I don't want you to get disappointed with me, okay? But I did sell AMC. Not all of it. I sold 2 shares so that I could top up the funds to cover enough to buy 1 GameStop. Genius. Huh? Why didn't I think of that before? So now we've got 3 positions open, and 2 of them are the meme stocks that we're following. So it should make it a little bit interesting. And we're already $1.11 up. So what a great decision, Mark. So yeah, I've not paper handed on AMC. I've borrowed 2 shares from here so I can get 1 share here. I was something like $13 short or something to get a share. So I thought, do you know what? I'll take those 2 shares. And I'll buy 1 GameStop. So it gives us something else to look at, and it'll help with the fund. Obviously, the YouTube challenge. Now we've got 2 tickets to the moon on the YouTube challenge. So we'll see what happens. But all in all, troops, a quiet day for the meme stocks. And there's not much else to report. Obviously, tomorrow might get a little bit interesting. It is the expiry of the monthly options, which sometimes can generate a little bit more volatility. So do tune in for that. I will try and live stream Power Hour. Those regular viewers here know that I do have parental responsibilities this week. So my streaming has been a little bit haphazard. So that's it. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're keeping well. Get ready for Friday. Almost there, almost the weekend. Catch you tomorrow. Cheers, troops.